Hello everyone. Today, as you can see here, I have two books in front of me. Pure Mathematics 1 and Statistics 1. Today, we're going to do a challenge. That challenge is to complete these two books, read them, and do every question in them in 2 weeks. Yes, in 2 weeks I have to complete these two books by reading them and doing every question inside this book. Regardless, so I have to do every question in 2 weeks. So these books aren't that thin. If you stack them both together, they're actually quite thick. And these books cover a lot of stuff. Like, these books cover a lot of big topics and concepts, and they're complicated sometimes. Some of the concepts very complicated and very difficult to understand. Just look at this first book, okay? Look how many topics it covers, like all of this stuff. And this is pure math. And statistics, that's probably maybe even harder. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna do them soon, in 2 weeks, or during the 2 weeks, I guess. When I start the challenge today. But realistically, I'm probably gonna start tomorrow, like do it tomorrow, cause I'm gonna sleep soon. But yeah. Right. So why did I decide to do this crazy challenge? Well, it started with a friend, okay? I was talking to a friend and suddenly, I don't know what happened, he started talking about logarithms. I'm like, what? What's a logarithm? What's a log anyway? So I started getting confused. I'm like, what's a log? So I remember I always seen log on a calculator, but I never really knew what log actually meant. It could mean anything. Like, I knew the cosine, the tangent on the, sine rule, all that, but the logarithm, I never heard of that stuff, okay? I had no clue. You start telling me about logarithm and all these power over tens and all that, I'm like, what is all of this? And so I'm like, wait a minute, how do I not know logarithm? Like, I thought I would know logarithm, but I didn't know it, so I'm like, what? How did I not know it? So I felt I need to, sharpen up my mathematics skills, okay? To start off the sharpening of my mathematics skills, I'll start these two books, okay? I'm gonna try to read them, do every question in them, mark my answers, and try to understand where I went wrong. That's what I'm trying to do. I want to understand these concepts, okay, inside these books. I feel it's very important in my life to understand these hard concepts. I mean, you might be asking, well, what's the point? Are you gonna become a mathematician or something? Well, maybe. But anyway, I'm gonna do these two books. Hopefully it all goes well. In 2 weeks, I will make a video showing my progress and whether I actually complete the challenge. I may not, but oh well. I will try the challenge.